Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and the author of many books on drawing cartoons, like this brand new one. Learn to Draw Cartoons, the world's easiest cartooning book ever. Lots of steps in this. Many steps. I don't talk you into learning how to draw. I draw for you. Many steps, many hints. And we focus on, in this book, the construction, the outside, the shapes, more than just the features. People can get lost drawing the features. I want you to know how to draw the shapes. And we're going to do that today. I'm going to show you how to draw an original character, a fun character, in a 3/4 view. And we're going to start here. We're going to start with a pretty simple shape like this. It's almost a square on top. And then here comes to a chin, like this. And he's going to be in a 3/4 view, like that. Here is the neck. And we'll put the ear over here. And I'm going to finish up in black. We're going to start this way. So we'll add the eyes just to get us started so we know where we're going. And nice long flat eyebrows. Now I'm going to bring that chin down just a touch. Just give it a little angle. See that chin? Bring it down a little bit. Elongate that. Bring this straight down. So that's the short jawline. This is the long jawline. And now nice long bridge of the nose. Tip of the nose. Back. Upper lip, I'll leave a little bit of room here and below it, and that will look like the teeth. That little part here, just leave a little room, and that will look like the teeth. Now, I'm going to add a little bit of hair here, make it a little bumpy. And I'll have it fall over the forehead. Bring the forehead out a little bit, bring it in at the cheekbone. See, so we start to modify these shapes as we go along. I'm going to bring that a little further. And now we are ready to go and give it a try and see how it's going to look. These are very, very horizontal shaped eyes, like so. And thick eyebrows close to the eyes. I'm going to make that upper lip, leave a little room underneath it, like that, for the teeth. And here's a cheek, and winding into that solid chin area. And here's the neck, just below the ear, just below the chin, middle of the chin. And I'll bring the hair back, just give a little bit, and put it in front of the ear. Give a little mass over this way, some randomness to it. And have it flop over the head, make it look kind of casual. Another little smile crease there, and a shadow under the chin. And there you go. There is a, well, actually, should I color that in a little bit? A little bit? Makes it more dramatic. I'm going to put a little bit of color in here because it's a nice hair design there. And I'll leave a little bit light on the top as a highlight where the light from above is hitting the head. Okay, that's good. I'm going to leave it like that. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Again, the book is called Learn to Draw Cartoons, world's easiest cartooning book ever. There's the back of it. That's a cute character, right? So anyway, thanks for joining me. I hope you subscribe. I have new videos every week, and I'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.